In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sequences on HubSpot. Managing customer engagement and outreach can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but with HubSpot's sequences, you can easily automate and personalize your follow-up emails and tasks. Let's dive into how you can set this up efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. If you're like many users who have integrated their HubSpot account with Google, the next step is straightforward. Simply click on Sign in with Google and choose the appropriate account from the list that appears. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Sales section. This is where all your sales tools are neatly organized, allowing you to effectively manage your outreach efforts. From the Sales dashboard, look for the Sequences option. Click on it to open the Sequences page where you can view all your existing sequences and, more importantly, create new ones. Now direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the Create Sequence button. This is where the magic begins. You'll be prompted with different options on how to start, and for this tutorial, we're going to choose to start from scratch. This option gives you the most flexibility in terms of customization, allowing you to tailor the sequence exactly to your needs. After selecting Start from Scratch, click on Create Sequence. This will bring you to the sequence editor. Here, you're going to choose what activity your sequence will perform. For this example, let's go with a general task. This feature helps you automatically assign tasks as part of your outreach strategy. Now, it's time to add your personal touch. Type in any notes or specific instructions that should be carried out when the sequence is active. This could be anything from a personalized email script or reminder details. Once your notes are ready to go, make sure to click Add at the bottom of the page. This step ensures that all your configuration settings are saved within the sequence framework. Before finalizing, move up to the top right corner and click on Save. This action will store your progress, making sure everything you've set up is securely saved. It's important to give your sequence a unique and recognizable name. This will make it easier to identify among other sequences you may create in the future. Also, you will choose the visibility settings of your sequence. Decide who within your team or organization can see and use the sequence, ensuring that the right people have access. Wrapping up, ensure that you click on Save at the bottom once more to lock in all your final adjustments. And there you have it. You're all set with your new HubSpot sequence, ready to enhance customer interactions with a touch of automation and personalization.